Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Dun and Bradstreet number, also known as your DUNS number. The DUNS number is a unique 9-digit identifier for businesses. Here's how we can use it. To start with, credit reports. A business can use their DUNS number to request a credit report on the firm. The report lists detailed information about Dun and Bradstreet's finances, which includes any suit or judgment against the business, the company's payment history or credit history. Next up, you can monitor business credit. After receiving a DUNS number, business owners can sign up with D&B for their credit signal service. This is a free service that notifies business owners of changes in their credit rating and scores and when another party has purchased a copy of the report. And finally, you can update business information. If you're a US-based non-public company, you can actually view and request updates to your company's business information for free using the DUNS manager. So these are the main uses of a Dun and Bradstreet number, also known as a DUNS number. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand exactly how this number can be used, which should actually help out your business. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.